What is good YouTube? I'm Gina Diaz signing in. So welcome to my channel. Before I start, I actually want to thank you guys for 390 subscribers. Honestly, I haven't done any video for a while. I was supposed to I was gonna vlog last week honestly, but I actually started vlogging, right? But then all of a sudden it started raining and that weather actually ruined the moment honestly, so I just stopped. So here right now I'm just today I'm actually gonna be showing you guys all my recent pickups actually, and also if you guys don't know, I've been buying and selling this past few days. I'm not sure if you can see my background right now. I don't have that much. I mean, most of my Hive sneakers right now is pretty much gone. I sold them. I just actually quit. I actually just gave up selling it for hella expensive price, just because it takes so much time. So yeah, so I actually sent them an auction. I pretty much sold my my zebras, my gold toes and stuff, and also I actually have my Oreos here as well. This is actually on pending. I'm selling it only for 390 Canadian dollars, so it's just not bad. It's super steal, just because I think it goes for 550 something right now. But yeah, the condition's pretty nice, because if you guys don't know, I actually really take care of all of my sneakers, so they're not beat. Super nice. There's 8/10 conditions with dead stock insoles. So I'm gonna be also selling some of my clothes. So I'm actually planning to I actually just created my new Gino Diaz closet account, so if you guys want to follow that and check the clothes out, I guess. But yeah, I haven't posted anything on that one yet, but I will soon. I'm also I'll quickly show you guys all of my stuff for all of the stuff that I'm selling. Probably just the pants, but I'm selling a bunch of clothes as well, vintage stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much it. And right now I'm actually gonna show you guys all of my all my new Supreme pickups actually, because this is pretty much I guess the last one that I'm gonna be getting. I don't think I'm gonna be getting more soon, but yeah, this is from the Supreme Fall and Winter 2018 collection. So I actually just got I got one from the first week, and then I actually got 2 items for third week. But the first one that I got was actually I actually wear it already, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first one that I'm gonna be showing you guys, so let's just pretend I didn't open this, but this is already in the plastic bag right here. This is pretty much the basic part Supreme plastic bag, and then let's just say I haven't opened this, but yeah, it's actually the Supreme FUT. It's the middle finger, but yeah, I get the size large. I actually wear this already. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw that. I just posted that too. So yeah, let's just take it off. I was gonna make a video about it before, but I haven't been just motivated. But I guess I need to, and I wanted to be motivated for get inspiration to make videos more. But yeah, this is the first one that I got. I just got the green one because I barely get green color t-shirts anymore, so I just get this. This from first week. I was really digging for the Supreme tee, I mean the liquid tee, but then I think that time was the app was not working properly, so I end up getting this one. I mean, for my own opinion, it's pretty clean, and I don't really care if it's hype or not, but as long as I like it, then I'll go for it. But yeah, this is a size large, and also it comes with pretty nice stickers. But what I did with the stickers, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I actually put it on my frame now. I got the liquid Supreme tee sticker. I actually put it there, and then I actually got I think it's a squirrel one, but I'm not sure. But yeah, you guys don't know, it's pretty nice this year as well, because they actually give away a gift or Supreme Bouncy ball. So on my first order, I actually got this right here, Supreme Bouncy ball. It's pretty cute, and yeah, that's pretty actually decent. I mean, this is free, you don't have to pay anything for this. It's not focusing, but yeah, I'm pretty sure every order that you get from this fall and winter 2018, you'll get at least one Bouncy ball and like a Supreme box like a sticker as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the first order that I got. The next one that I'm gonna be showing you guys, I haven't opened it yet, but let's unbox it or like rip it, I guess. But yeah, I'm not sure if you guys know about it. Let's grab it. Alright guys, so here you go. I actually just got it today. Super nice. I mean, it feels like kind of heavy, but yeah. If you guys don't know, I got two items from the drop. If you guys don't know, it's actually the Mike Kelly one. It's pretty cute, honestly. I mean, I don't know him personally, I don't know him that much, but I really like the design as well. So I'm really excited to open this, and yeah, let's go. Oops. I hope you guys, I just hope you guys didn't see any of those numbers, but anyways, let's get to it. I'm really excited to this. Honestly though, I spent so much money on this, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this, honestly, just because I spend like a lot of money on this shit. Alright, so first of all, Supreme plastic bag as usual. And then, what do we have here? Whoa, wait, what? No way. Alright, I see you. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna be showing you guys, I actually got the white tee. This is the youth tee. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but it says, and this one, Mike Kelly, as in like AHH, youth tee. I don't know him personally, but I do really like the design. It's pretty much just like the 4 stop stars right here. I think this is like one of his like work, or like one of his like artwork. But yeah, I get the size large in white colorway. Super nice, honestly. I don't want to open it yet because I'm probably just gonna open it when I'm gonna wear it. So this is the t-shirt. I don't want to understand it, I guess, but I really liked it. I think the retail price was like 48 USD, and I totally forgot how much did I pay for like convert that to Canadian dollars. But when I check my bank account, it actually says $390 in total. But yeah, I get the t-shirt, and I'm just gonna put this aside right now. Let's check what we got though. Let's see. Alright, so what is this? Oh, it's nothing too crazy. I actually thought I'm gonna get new stickers, but I guess not. So I got 2 Supreme stickers, which is nothing really crazy. Super nice. Yeah, it's like pretty much basic. If you get another any Supreme item from the drop. So another one, and I got another Supreme Bouncy ball right here. I totally got 2 now, which is pretty cool, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's check the other one. Whoa. Wow. The quality is crazy on these. Quality is crazy. I think this will be too big for me. I didn't even notice that. This is size large. I got the sweater in brown colorway. It's also I forget the name and the like name exactly on this one. It's also, oh yeah, it says this is the Mike Kelly. It's also the youth, but in a crew neck. Super nice, even though like it feels heavy because it's for fall and winter. It's super nice. I think the price in this is like pretty much the same price as the BOGO. But yeah, same thing. It's just like in the horizontal way for the stuff toy. But yeah, super nice. Probably gonna open this and take a picture with it, but hopefully this will look good on me, and I'm really excited. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so the last thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys, honestly, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I told you guys earlier that I'm actually selling like I'm doing some like closet clean out. I mean, nothing too crazy. I'm selling some of my like good stuff from like last year, but right now I'm just gonna quickly show you guys all the like pretty much the pants that I'm gonna be selling, just because like I have like a bunch of clothes, but like it's all like everything was like in the other closet, and I don't want to bring everything out. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the pants, but it's nothing crazy honestly. So I'm actually selling pretty much all of my zipper pants, just because like I'm slowly moving to like a designer things. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, you guys can go to Gino Diaz closet account. But I mean, I haven't posted anything. I haven't like actually like touched it. I just created it like recently. But yeah, I get the olive zipper pants right here. This is size 28. I don't know what's like the length and like the width, because like when you go to this is from H&M. So usually if you go to H&M, they only like say it only says like 28. So basically like 28. I'm not sure, but it says 28. This is size 28, pure size 28. I'm probably gonna sell this for only $15. I mean, retail price was like $45. But yeah, I barely wear this. The conditions are very good in this one. So would definitely recommend like checking it out. It's only $15, at least like 15 or 20. Just because like I barely wear it. So the next one, another zipper pants. This is the denim ones. It has like what do you call this, paint? I'm not sure, I forgot. But yeah, it basically reminds me of the minimal zipper pants. But yeah, it's super nice. This is like pretty much like one of the similar ones. I copped them because it reminds me of the Fear of God zipper pants as well. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Yep. The next one, it's like a jogger pants actually. I got a jogger pants right here. I mean, this one also, not gonna lie, I actually just barely wear this. Just like I think I wear this like at least twice or 3 times. Probably gonna sell this for only like $10 or $15. It's like way back in like 2016. It's like a brown one. I have like a bunch of pants that I don't even wear anymore, and like most of them I only like wear at least like once. But yeah, this jogger pants right here. And then the next one, I also get another zipper pants. There's the tan colorway, but this is actually the size 30. I was supposed to sell the black one as well, but I can't find it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But anyways, I'm gonna be selling this for at least like $15 or $20. I'm not sure, but as long as I just get rid of it. So yeah, everything will be in like in my Instagram account, or also probably gonna post this in VSC. If you guys member in VSC, I would definitely recommend checking this out. But I'm gonna be posting this as well, maybe in like 2 days or something. Alright, so I'm also selling this one, just like a normal denim pants, nothing too crazy, probably like $5 or $10. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything from you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, nothing too crazy. I haven't been like vlogging for a long time now, but hopefully soon. But yeah, thank you for 390 subscribers. I mean, I haven't really expect that. I'm just like doing this for fun. But yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, I appreciate everything. And I'm Jay Diaz, signing out. Peace.